Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have the Muscle Commander White shirt. So I'm gonna go try this on and you guys can see what it looks like on me. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. I got the size large and it is perfect for me. I am probably close to 185 to 190 pounds and it fits good. And it's got a nice feel to it. You look at the pattern, it's kind of almost like a dry fitish kind of feel. And it's good length and everything. I mean, when I go like this, it kind of comes up a little bit, but of course it will. That's the way shirts are. But it's good, it's comfortable. It's got these snap buttons up here so I can snap it closed if I want to cover myself up a bit. Be a little bit more modest, you know. And gotta line it up, but there we go. So fairly nice shirt. I like it. I think I'll wear this today. So there we go. Thumbs up. Very nice. This is it. Thank you.